Hello everyone, welcome again to Standard 10th Geometry class. So let us begin with this new chapter. Before starting, let me revise few things which you already know. Some important formulas and concepts. Perimeter and area of a circle. This you know. So perimeter of a circle is nothing but the circumference of the circle, and its formula is pi into diameter, pi into d. But you know pi and diameter is nothing but twice the radius, where r is the radius of the circle. So combine this, you will get circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Right, so you can use this in two ways. When the diameter is given, directly you use this formula pi into d and calculate the circumference. But if the radius is given, then you use this 2 pi r formula and calculate the circumference of the circle. Then comes area of a circle. So if r is the radius of the circle, then area of a circle is given by the formula pi r square, where pi is an irrational number. Why? Because its decimal representation is non-terminating, non-recurring type. So therefore it's an irrational number, and the value of pi usually we take 22/7. Now, arc of a circle. So I am revising all those concepts which are required in this chapter. This we have already learned in circle chapter. So what is arc of a circle? So here is a circle. It is the part of the circumference of the circle. See here, if P, you take any 2 points on the circumference of the circle, so that piece of the circle is known as arc. So here the longer one is known as major arc and the smaller piece is known as minor arc. So a piece of a circle between 2 points is called an arc. The longer is one is called major arc and the shorter one is called minor arc, and the length of the complete circle is called circumference. Then comes segment of a circle. So let us see what is segment. So here is a circle. PQ is a chord, and what this chord PQ does, it divides the circular region in 2 parts, and each part is known as segment of a circle. The part of a circle which contains the center is known as major segment, and the other part is called minor segment. So it is the region between a chord and either of its arc is called a segment of the circular region, or simply you can say segment of a circle. And there are 2 types of segments, which are major segments and minor segments. Then comes sector of a circle. So what is sector? It is area bounded by 2 radii and corresponding intercepted arc. Right? The region shown by purple color is sector of the circle. So when the arc is minor arc, so corresponding sector is minor sector, and if the arc corresponding intercepted arc is major arc, then the sector is major sector. So how to define this? The region between the arc and the 2 radii joining the center to the end points to the arc is called sector. The minor arc corresponds to the minor sector and the major arc corresponds to the major sector. Now we'll see how to calculate the area of this sector, length of the arc, and area of the segment of a circle. So this is something new to you. So let us learn the formula for area of a sector. So let us see what all things required to calculate the area of sector. So here O is the center of the circle, right? R is the radius of the circle. See here, OP is the radius and theta is angle made by these two radii, OP and OQ, with the center, right? So theta is central angle, R is the radius of the circle, then the area of the sector of angle theta is given by the formula theta divided by 360 into pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle and theta is the angle of the sector in degrees, right? So remember this formula, area of sector with angle theta is given by theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Next formula is length of the arc. So now here PQ is the minor arc. Now if I want to calculate the length of this arc PQ, what is the formula? So here also R is the radius of the circle, theta is the central angle made by these two radii at the center. So length of the arc PQ with angle theta is given by theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. Here theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r is the formula for length of the arc. Now how to find the area of the segment of the circle? So there is no direct formula for finding the segment in your syllabus, right? So how we will calculate area of this shaded region? This shaded region is nothing but the minor segment, and if I want to find the area of this shaded portion, what will I do? I will calculate the area of this sector first, OAPB. Calculate area of this sector. From that sector you subtract area of triangle OAB. So what will remain? You will get area of this shaded portion. So therefore area of the segment APB is equal to area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Understood? So in this way, by using formula for area of sector and area of triangle, you can calculate the area of segment of a circle. Similarly, we can observe few things from this diagram. If I wish to find area of major sector, okay, suppose you have area of minor sector and you want area of major sector. So that is nothing but area of this complete circle minus the area of minor sector, right? Also, if you wish to find area of major segment, which is the major segment here? This white portion, complete white portion, this is major segment. If you have area of minor segment, you can calculate area of major segment very easily. How? Area of this complete circle minus the area of minor segment. So therefore area of major segment AQB is equal to pi r square. What is that? Area of circle minus the area of minor segment. Understood? So we have learned three formulae today. What are those? Area of sector is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Length of arc is theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. And the area of segment is equal to area of the sector minus area of triangle. Now we'll see some very short answer type questions which can be asked for 1 mark. The area of a circle is 49 pi centimeter square. Its circumference is. Options are given: 7 pi, 14 pi, 21 pi and 28 pi. So what will be the answer? So you cannot guess it's orally. So let us find its solution. So area of the circle is given to you. So let us apply formula for area of a circle. So area of a circle formula is pi r square. This left hand side is given to you. Area of circle is 49 pi. Substitute here, is equal to pi r square. Now this pi and pi will get cancelled. So r square is equal to 49. Taking square root on both the sides. So you will get r is equal to square root of 49 is 7. So in this way you will get value of r. R is what? Radius of the circle. Now you have radius of the circle. Therefore circumference formula is 2 pi r. Substitute value of r here. So 2 pi as it is into r is 7. So 2 into 7, 14 pi. So the correct option is option B, 14 pi. Now I have few questions for practice. So you try this. Question number 1. The perimeter of circular field is 242 centimeter. The area of field is, right? So field is circular in shape. So in circle, the perimeter is nothing but circumference of the circle. So you have given circumference of this field, which is 242 centimeter. So you apply formula circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Equate with 242. Get the value of r and then you apply area of the circle, that is pi r square. Substitute that r and guess the correct answer. Now second is, the area of a circle is 38.5 centimeter square. Its circumference is. This is very much similar to the sum which we have done just now. So you try these two questions. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson, children. We'll meet in the next video lesson. Till then, goodbye.